I'll have a little update for Gilligan here. Since the trip to Silver Lake Sand Dunes, decided it was time for some upgrades. So no more 33-inch tires. We are now sitting on 35s. And the truck was grossly underpowered or undergeared, whichever way you want to look at it. So we blew it all apart today and putting 456 gears in it. It's got everything all tore apart. Getting the gears done, just waiting on some bearings to come for the front. Taking all the original ones, turning them into setup bearings. 9-inch pig I just dropped off my buddy's shop, letting him do it for me, save me some time. And the whole fiasco at the dunes with it losing 4-wheel drive. This little lock ring right here popped off the RCV adapter there, and that's why I didn't have 4-wheel drive. So Warren sent me a whole packet full of new ones, so I got some backups even, which is awesome. So we got the new 456 thick gear for the front, so I didn't have to change the carrier. So like I said, I'm just waiting on the new install kit to show up at O'Reilly's, and I got to throw a header gasket on it too. We blew that out. So there she is. We'll go ahead and get the gears in it, and I should really wake it up. And we're gonna hit the Bundy Hill Off-Road Park in Michigan here in a couple weeks and do a little bit of playing on the rocks with it and see how it does. I know it's gonna be awesome. So that's where we're at right now.